This man is truly creative. When his stepmother's 70th birthday approached, he had no idea what to gift, until inspiration struck. He spent just 100 yen on a box of used colored pencils and set out to create something unforgettable. Everyone thought he'd gone crazy. His wife scolded him, worried he'd embarrass her mother. But the man locked himself in his workshop, determined to prove them wrong. For weeks, he carefully arranged, cut, and molded those pencils into a one-of-a-kind vase, fusing color with elegance. When the final piece was unveiled, jaws dropped. Even his wife was speechless. The stepmother was so touched, she gave him a rare bottle of wine in gratitude. What started as a mocked idea became the most treasured gift at the celebration. This isn't just about pencils, it's about vision, perseverance, and love. How would you rate his creativity out of 100?